What's up, Facebook? What's going on? Let's see if this is live. Is this broadcasting? Let's see here. Try another way. Awesome. All right, 1 second. I gotta make sure this is working. If you're a replay viewer or YouTube, just skip ahead, I guess, like 20 some seconds or something. All right, it looks like officially live, and I am excited today coming to you live. It says try another way of going live. All right, so I'm on Facebook going live, broadcasting, talking about day 5 Webtalk updates. If you're annoyed of those updates, that's fine. You can not look at what I'm doing. But if you're a marketer, this video is for you, because what we have going on over at Webtalk is nothing short of amazing. It's tons of fun. It's exciting, and I'm going to get right into it. Right, I'm going to get into how you can use this new social network platform to create new business. Right, not just use it as an affiliate to make money when they launch, but actually, Rebecca, my girlfriend, and I, we're using this platform to create new business, to find people that are on the same wavelength, the same mindset as us, right? So, how you can do this? I'm excited. Let me go over some quick stats, and then I'll get into some training, the specifics on what I'm doing and how you can get results similar to it. So, I got 49 personal referrals, 111 team total, and it's 4 levels deep. So how this works is for the first 1 million user affiliates, they got 5 levels deep. So you have first movers benefit. Hey, what's going on, Tim Armstrong? How you doing, man? How you doing, bro? Hope you're having a great week. You have first movers advantage for the first 1 million to really grow this thing when it launches, right? Obviously, you probably heard that you can get paid from building the network while it's in beta for the invite only, and for the rest of, while it's here, while it's relevant, assuming it's always going to be around, like something like Facebook or LinkedIn. It's more geared towards business entrepreneurs, marketers, salespeople, startup people, people looking to make more efficient connections. So that's why, number one, why I believe in it is because I'm using it. I'm posting there, networking there, I'm adding people to the network, I'm going to go through those contacts, I'm going to talk to them, I'm providing training. And if you want to be part of something that can reignite new conversations, like old prospecting conversations like from a year ago, like in my Twitter, I've messaged hundreds or thousands of people over the last year. And what I'm doing, I'm just taking a simple copy and paste message. Some of it I got directly from Rebecca, and I just tweaked it, and I'm broadcasting that out to all of my followers. So it really pays to have a giant network of followers on Twitter if you're promoting something like this, something that's new, exciting, something a lot of home business people or online marketers are already going to have an interest in. So it just makes sense for me, for Rebecca and I, we're really, blowing this out of the park. We're hitting this out of the park, grand slam. Like, it is fun. I'm excited. Every time I check, our team is bigger. I know Rebecca's got over 160 people. I've got over 111. And basically how I've gotten almost 50 referrals, personal referrals, is I've just networked. I've messaged 1,000 people. I've hit up my networks, Facebook, Twitter. I made videos on Periscope, on YouTube. I've shared my content to Tumblr and Pinterest and LinkedIn and Google+. So it's a combination of just shotgun and like a sniper, like a targeting approach. Like, you got to be efficient when you're building something new like this, right? So my best place, and the same with Rebecca, has been Twitter, where I think we've grown 80% of our network or more directly through Twitter. So if you're a replay viewer and you want, some tips, what I would say is get on Twitter. Millennial Man, you need to get your followers up. I can help you. You need to grow your video presence. You need to get on live, Periscope, Facebook Live, YouTube. And there's some tricks that I've been doing for a long time that have helped me create one piece of content and make it go everywhere online. So you save yourself time, you get more eyeballs and traffic on your websites, on your business, and we're promoting multiple things simultaneously. Like every time I'm sharing this, I'm pushing a Power Lead System page as well. So, I'm letting people know that they can create a similar page as the one that I'm sharing. And also, just from inviting people to a new network, it's like I said, it's reigniting, it's opening up old conversations that otherwise would not exist. And that's the biggest key. These are conversations that would not exist if it weren't for a simple invite to something new and cool and a fun network. So that's what I've been doing, just copy and paste. Are you open to checking this out? That's great. Here's the link. Then you can promote, you can pitch them PLS, you can talk to them about your coaching, your other business. It's a great front end, and that's just that side of it. Obviously, when it launches, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. The bigger the network you have, the bigger your duplication is on all the levels. And that's why I'm excited. I'm so stoked. I've never been a part of something that has grown as fast, and I know it's free. I know that it could tank and it might not work. I think for sure it's going to launch. I don't know when, probably November, December, sometime around there, January. But I'm just excited because this thing is growing fast. It's growing virally. And like I said, for business tips, this is an amazing new front end thing that you can lead your business with. You can front end lead magnet. Who doesn't want to join a new network? Some people don't. Some people are skeptical and closed-minded. I understand that, and that's fine. I think a lot of people are going to be changing their minds the more they see this explode virally. And if they actually use the platform, when you create an account and you use your account, you'll realize that this is legit. Like, this is a great platform to connect, communicate, collaborate, organize. That's what I'm using it for. So go out and pitch and invite your network, invite your friends, go on Twitter, reignite old conversations like I've been doing, and then you can talk to them about anything, whatever programs you want, right? So for me, I'm focused on millennial men growing their followers, because the bigger your followers are on Twitter, I've noticed, by the way, I've messaged maybe 500 people on Facebook, I've messaged over 1,000 people on Twitter. And I can tell you that Twitter is way more effective than Facebook. Facebook tends to be more closed-minded, already kind of business-focused, conservative, and Twitter tends to be more liberal, open-minded, progressive. So if you're looking for open-minded people, I highly recommend you get your butt on Twitter and you get to work. You follow people every day, you network. I can link you up with some training, and I look forward to helping you. So I'm stoked. I just wanted to put out this, this energy, these tips. Obviously, you can use this for anything, any kind of business opportunity you're promoting, as a front end, something new. If you've been looking for something to promote on the front end, to help you promote your business on the back end, this is the number one thing. I don't think there's anything better right now than what Webtalk is and what it offers, in the legit potential it has of blowing up and becoming something completely life-changing to millions of people. It's got a unique product. They're really changing the game, the way social media is being played. So it's going to be interesting to see how it's played out. But I just wanted to get out here, let you guys know that it's not just about bringing people in the network. It's about how can you engage with these people that are already open-minded and saying yes to you, right? Micro commitments. You get one yes, I'm going to sign it up. I'm going to create an account. I'm going to check out your free training video. If you need free training, I got a video on YouTube that's getting more views by the day that will teach you how to refer your network. So I'm here to help everybody make more money. Millennial men, blue collar men. If you're in a job that you don't like, this could be your ticket. out. Like, it might not, but it might be, right? So to me, this is something that literally has no downside. There's zero downside, and there's 100% upside. Hey, what's up, Julian? And to me, it just doesn't make sense not to get started. If you're a social media marketer, if you're an internet marketer, why wouldn't you, right? Why wouldn't you get started? Like I said, it's free to join. You can promote it on the front end to reignite so many old Right now, I just hit 50. I just checked. Someone joined. Shout out to whoever joined through my link. Shout out to Ricky Longo, who joined 6 minutes ago. So, yeah, I don't know if I should have said his name, but shout out to you. So that's what I mean. It's working in real time. I officially just crossed 50 personal referrals, and most of them have come just through Twitter and just sheer networking. If you're willing to hustle, you could potentially have a solid income, a solid residual income coming up when they launch and they promote their new premium packages, which I'm excited for. New level networking, more targeted, precise engagement, communications. Let me look here. Yeah, so on the search engine, I'm looking at the Webtalk site. It says search people, job titles, and industries. So this is designed to make better business connections. That's what this platform is for. It's actually designed to help you make better business connections and make the community kind of one giant cohesive unit, because we're all here to network, to build this together, because you're able to get paid to actually refer people to the network that can find solutions to their problems. They can find a new job if they're looking for it. They can find, some kind of a person or industry or coach or a course that they're looking for without having to jump through all these hoops and loops and restrictions and Facebook jail and, all these things that these other networks don't provide. I think there's a void in social media marketplace, and I think they're filling it. I think they're filling the void, allowing you to, like on the news feed, they allow you to select right here, all news, top news, public, all contacts, personal contacts, professional, custom. So you get to decide what you see and when you see it. On your profile, it's the same thing. You get to put in your information, your experience, so it's a legit product. It's not just something to sling to make a quick buck. This is something that you can make good money with, maybe more by, better networking, right? Better networking, more targeted approach, better collaboration, better organization. You can file your contacts under professional. You can put tags in, hashtags for anyone that might be a prospect, a client, maybe an investor, if you're in startup, if you're a network marketer. It could be a team builder, it could be a customer. You get what I'm saying. It's kind of like you're all in one place to better organize your contacts. So you can put in tags to describe how you are linked up to people on here. You can put in your education, your experience, languages, about me section, any kind of tags that people can probably search and find you under. They have a really cool news feed that allows you to post content of any kind. I'm talking anything. It says what's on your mind, send your news here. You can post a video, you can post a YouTube link that just automatically embeds it and it shows up. It's not real tiny little thumbnail that's on Facebook like, don't go here. We want everyone on Facebook to stay on Facebook. I get that, but it's not that way. You can select, who gets to see it. You can post, links, videos, pictures like Instagram, and it's kind of like it's got like a Dropbox feature, which kind of allows you to, share, files and links and upload things in a more organized way. So I'm still, understanding it and learning it, but so far I'm loving it. I'm loving the growth. I'm loving the product, the new network. It's fun. They give you a section to track your referrals, so it's just been a lot of fun. There's a section on the far right that gives you access to your account, your videos, a quick little invite contact